going to discuss ignition point, flash point, octane number, cetane number and cracking in your industrial chemistry module. Ignition temperature is the temperature at which a solid, liquid or a gaseous fuel catches fire and continues to burn without further heat is called I will be going to discuss ignition point, flash point, octane number, cetane number and cracking in your industrial chemistry module. First one is ignition temperature or ignition point. The temperature at which a solid, liquid or a gaseous fuel catches fire and continues to burn without further heat is called ignition temperature. It has a definite value for a particular fuel. A combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. The substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily be catch fire with the flame are called inflammable substances. Examples of inflammable substances are petrol, alcohol, LPG, etc. The ignition point is influenced by a number of factors such as nature of fuel, combustion environment, method and the rate of heating, presence of moisture, pressure over the fuel, size and shape of the experimental vessel, particle size and presence of foreign materials, etc. Next one is flash point. The flash point of a volatile material is defined as the temperature at which it momentarily flashes in presence of air by an ignition source. The flash point is not a physical constant but depends upon the vapor pressure of the oil and the manner in which it is determined. The higher the volatility, the smaller the flash point. It gives an idea of safe handling of the fuel by avoiding the fire hazards. The flash point value of gasoline is minus 43 degree centigrade and that of diesel fuel it will be 52 degree centigrade. Flammable liquid is the term used to designate any liquid having a flash point below 100 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree centigrade and having a vapor pressure not exceeding 40 psi. On the basis of flash point, flammable liquids are further classified as class 1 liquids and these are having flash point below 100 degree Fahrenheit. These are again subdivided into class 1A. They have the flash point below 73 degree Fahrenheit and a boiling point below 100 degree Fahrenheit. Example is ethyl chloride. Class 1B liquids, they have the flash point below 73 degree Fahrenheit and a boiling point at or above 100 degree Fahrenheit. An example is gasoline. And class 1C liquid, and these have flash point at or above 73 degree Fahrenheit and below 100 degree Fahrenheit. An example is butyl alcohol. Combustible liquids is the term used to designate any liquid having a flash point at or above 100 degree Fahrenheit. This is again subdivided into class 2 liquid. They are having the flash point at or above 100 degree Fahrenheit and below 140 degree Fahrenheit or 60 degree, as for example kerosene. Class 3A liquid having the flash point at or above 140 degree Fahrenheit and below 200 degree Fahrenheit. An example is fuel oil. And class 3 liquids, they are having the flash point at or above 200 degree Fahrenheit. An example of this type of liquid is fish oil. Next is octane number. It has been found that paraffinic hydrocarbons have a lower auto ignition temperature than that of the aromatics. Therefore, if diesel oil is rich with aromatic hydrocarbons than the paraffinic counterparts, most of the oil will unburn at the beginning and will simultaneously burn suddenly when the temperature rises due to the combustion of paraffinic hydrocarbons. This type of situation will give rise to non-uniform pressure in the engine and it producing a sharp shock sound which is called knocking. Edgar in 1927 classified the fuels on the basis of their knocking property. He observed that straight chain alkanes have a high knocking property compared with that of branched chain ones. Based on the knocking characteristics, the efficiency of the fuel is rated in terms of octane numbers. The term octane number is introduced after observing that normal heptane, which has an octane value of 0, that knocks badly and has a maximum knocking property. And the isooctane, that is 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane, is adopted as a standard anti-knock fuel and it has an octane value of 100 compared to the normal heptane. The octane number of a fuel may be defined as the percentage of isooctane in a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane that has the same knocking characteristics of fuel under examination in a standard one-cylinder engine operated under standard conditions. The higher the octane number of a fuel, the highest is its anti-knock property. The octane number of cracked gasoline is higher than that of straight-run gasoline due to much higher percentage of unsaturated and cyclic hydrocarbons in the cracked gasoline. The octane number of regular gasoline is 74, whereas that of premium gasoline, the octane number value is 81. In some cases, the octane number value may be greater than 100, and when the value of octane number is greater than 100, it is called performance number. An engine test is usually carried out at two different speeds, and the octane numbers are defined as research octane number RON and the motor octane number MON, which are conducted at two different speeds, that is 600 rpm and 900 rpm. However, the tested octanes may not correspond to the real performance when the road conditions differ. RON is more applicable for city driving, whereas MON is applicable for highway driving. The octane number falls with increasing in speed, which is why MON is always less than RON for same motor fuel. Aircrafts using gasoline, which requires very high RON fuel, that are necessary for the cruising speed of aircrafts. It is also found that the octane number falls with the altitude. The higher the number of, that is, the higher the value of the octane number of a motor fuel, the octane number value of a motor fuel can be increased by adding tetraethyl lead, but this has been prohibited by the environmental protection laws. Hence, organic substances like ethyl or methyl tertiary butyl ethers, that is MTBE or ETBE, are used instead of tetraethyl lead for boosting the octane number. Next is cetane number. Cetane number is a physical-chemical parameter associated to the burning of a fuel in the engine. This parameter measures the ignition quality of a fuel and it directly affects both the ignition and operation with the load. Ignition quality is assessed by the measuring the ignition delay, which is the period between injection and the beginning of the combustion of the fuel. Thus, a fuel with a high cetane number has a short ignition delay and starts to burn as soon as it is injected into an engine. The C10 number is defined by comparing the delay period in the ignition quality of a fuel with that of a mixture of C10 and alpha methyl naphthalene that have the same ignition quality. C10 is a paraffin of high ignition quality and alpha methyl naphthalene is an aromatic compound of very bad ignition quality. The delay period is measured by a cathode ray indicator or some other method. The higher the value of C10 number of a fuel, the easier will be the starting of the engine. C10, which ignites very readily, is given the rating of 100, and the alpha methyl naphthalene, which ignites very sluggishly in diesel engine, is given a 0 rating. Then the C10 number of a diesel fuel may be defined as the percentage of C10 in a mixture of C10 and alpha methyl naphthalene that will have the same ignition characteristics as that of a fuel under examination. Diesel engine requires a fuel of C10 number greater than 45. It has been found that low speed, medium speed and high speed diesel grades have different diesel C10 numbers. If the C10 number is 25 or above, but it should be less than 35, then it is a low speed diesel grade motor vehicle, and for example ships. If the C10 number is above 35 degree and below 45 and this type of diesel fuels are used in locomotives and tractors. If the C10 number is above 45, this type of diesel fuels are used in buses or trucks, and the RPM values of the low speed diesel fuel engines are 150 to 500 RPM, and that of medium speed diesel vehicles are 500 to 1500 RPM, where that of high speed diesel grade, that is motor engines, are the RPM values are 500 to 2000 RPM. Next portion is cracking. Cracking may be defined as the decomposition or pyrolysis of higher hydrocarbons into lower hydrocarbons at high temperatures. For example, gasoline obtained by the cracking of gas oil, which is called cracked gasoline, that is heavy gas oil, that is represented by C7H15, C15H13, C7H30, H15. On pyrolysis gives gasoline, that is C7H16, and antinomic gasoline, that is C6H12CH2, and recycled stock, that is C14H28CH2. The process of cracking is carried out by heating high boiling fractions when bigger molecules break up into smaller ones with lower boiling points. In this manner, cheap oils which are much less demand are converted into petrol or gasoline. The products obtained as a result of cracking depends mainly upon the structure of the hydrocarbons, temperature, pressure and the catalyst used. The major objective of cracking is the production of gasoline. In general, the cracking process is classified into three different types. That is, first one is catalytic cracking. It is carried out in presence of a catalyst at high temperatures with low, moderate or even without the applied pressure. Next one is thermal cracking. It is carried out at high temperature under a high applied pressure. Third one is hydrogenation cracking. In this type of cracking, heavy oils are converted to gasoline by the action of high pressure of hydrogen at a high temperature in presence of a catalyst. References: Fundamentals of Petroleum and Petrochemical Engineering, Uttam Ray Chowdhury, CRG Press, Taylor Francis Group, and Industrial Chemistry, B.K. Sharma, GR Publishing House, Krishna Prakash Media Private Limited, Meerut.